Trump's sons back $300 SPAC to revive U.S. manufacturing. Revolutionizing Made in America. The Trump brothers' bold bet on U.S. manufacturing. Are the Trump brothers about to disrupt the manufacturing landscape with their latest venture? Eric and Donald Trump Jr. are putting their weight behind new America Acquisition I Corp, a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, that's poised to merge with innovative companies revitalizing domestic manufacturing. But here's where it gets interesting. Can this move truly reignite the American manufacturing spark? A new chapter in U.S. manufacturing. Beyond the Trump family's iconic real estate empire, Eric and Donald Trump Jr. are expanding their business horizons. Their latest endeavor involves backing New America Acquisition I Corp, a SPAC that filed for a $300 million public offering on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, earlier this week. For those new to the world of finance, SPACs are essentially listed shell companies designed to merge with private entities, offering a streamlined alternative to traditional initial public offerings, IPOs, and bypassing some of the regulatory hurdles. The Trump brothers stake millions of shares. Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. are set to own millions of shares in New America Acquisition I Corp, marking a significant investment in the future of U.S. manufacturing. This move is not only a vote of confidence in the sector's potential, but also a strategic play in the broader landscape of American industry. The big question: can New America SPAC revitalize U.S. manufacturing? As the U.S. seeks to reduce its reliance on international supply chains and reinvigorate its manufacturing base, initiatives like the New America SPAC are under the spotlight. But here's the part most people miss. The success of such ventures hinges not just on financial backing, but also on addressing systemic challenges within the U.S. manufacturing ecosystem. And this is where you come in. Do you think SPACs like New America Acquisition I Corp can spearhead a U.S. manufacturing renaissance? What systemic changes do you believe are necessary to support the growth of domestic manufacturing? Share your thoughts. Can the Trump brothers' involvement attract more investors to the U.S. manufacturing sector, or might it have the opposite effect? Join the conversation in the comments below and let's explore the future of Made in America together. Trump SPAC alert. Eric Donald Trump Jr. backed $300 million manufacturing IPO. SPAC News 2025. In a surprising turn of events, Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., sons of former U.S. President Donald Trump, have taken a significant step in the world of finance. Their latest venture? A special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, aimed at manufacturing, set to file for a $300 million initial public offering IPO in the United States. This move marks yet another addition to the Trump family's growing portfolio of businesses. Following the launch of a meme coin earlier this year and their involvement in World Liberty Financial, a crypto company with ties to the former president. But here's where it gets controversial. Critics argue that the Trump brothers' involvement in these ventures may blur the lines between personal interests and political influence given their father's former position. Eric and Trump Jr. will not only serve on the advisory board for New America Acquisition I Corp, but will also receive a combined 5 million shares in the company. Adding fuel to the fire, Kyle Wohl, CEO of Dominari Securities, the underwriter for New America's offering, is also on the board of the company, and the Trump brothers are among the largest shareholders in Dominari Holdings, Dominari Securities' parent company. And this is the part most people miss. New America Acquisition I Corp plans to target businesses with a combined enterprise value of $700 million or more, focusing on companies that contribute to revitalizing domestic manufacturing, expanding innovation ecosystems, and strengthening critical supply chains. These companies will likely be based in the United States and operate in industries such as aerospace and critical minerals. With the former president's history of promoting protectionist trade measures, some may see this as an extension of his policies through his son's investments. So, what does this mean for the future of manufacturing in the U.S.? Will the Trump brothers' involvement in this SPAC pave the way for a resurgence of domestic manufacturing? Or will it raise concerns about potential conflicts of interest? Share your thoughts in the comments below. One thing is certain. The Trump family continues to make waves in various industries, leaving many to wonder what their next move will be. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story.